Welcome to Active Club Manager Training, Session 1, Managing Customers, Lesson 1, Menus and Tools. Let's go ahead and get started. When you first start Active Club Manager and there are no data lists open, the main menu at the top of your database contains 4 options. File is where you can go to access data lists, preferences, and printer setup. Network is where you can find the commands for your database options. Window has the commands to adjust and close windows or data lists. Help is where you can access the online help or Manager User's Guide. Let's start with how to open a data list using the File menu. Click on File once and choose an option in the File menu. For this lesson, I'm going to choose Customer. Click once. Now the Search Customer dialog has opened. We will cover how to search in another lesson. For now, I'm just going to click on the search button on the right-hand side of the dialog. Now the customer data list has opened with the search we have just completed. To close the customer data list, click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the customer data list. Another way to open a data list is to use the Data Access bar. This is the list of icons you see on the left-hand side of your screen. All you need to do is click once on an icon. Let's use Customer. Click once. The data list will open using the same search criteria from the last time you conducted a search for this data. Let's look at our main menu. After you open the data list, the main menu expands to give you more options. Edit is where you can find the command to open, delete, and select records in the current data list you're working in. Search will open the search dialog for the active list you are currently working in. View provides a list of available views along with the option to customize sort the data in your list. Actions provides a list of actions that manager can perform for the current list you're working in. Output provides options for previewing, printing, and exporting of various reports. Also, you will see a list of icons underneath your main menu. These are your action icons. We will use these in a future lesson. Let's go ahead and close the data list. Click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the data list. The last item to cover in this lesson is Help. In your main menu, click on Help once. Then we're going to choose Contents and Index. Click once. That will open the Active Club Manager User's Guide. The User's Guide is where you can get all of your answers to your questions, such as entering customer information, inventory data entry, learn how to run your club, and charge credit cards. It's all in one location. We even have a spot where you can learn how to use the User's Guide or online help. From the Contents tab on the left-hand side, click Welcome to Active Club Manager. If needed, go ahead and scroll down until you see Using the Online Help System. Click Using the Online Help System and go ahead and read through this section. We actually highly recommend you read this information so you know how to use the user guide. When you're done, to close the user guide, just click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the Active Club Manager user guide to close it. If you have any questions about what I went over today, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.